হাইকোর্ট অডিটোরিয়ামে এক মনোজ্ঞ আয়োজনে সেখানে আইনি পাশ করাদের হাতে সেখানে এনরোলমেন্ট সার্টিফিকেট তুলে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এইভাবে এই আয়োজনের মাধ্যমে বার্তা দেওয়া হয়েছে রাজ্যের আইনি সেবায় যারা যুক্ত রয়েছেন তাদের প্রত্যেকের কাজকর্ম এবং প্রত্যেকে যে ভাবনায় কাজ করেন সেই বিষয়গুলো। এই মহতি উদ্যোগের আয়োজনে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ভারপ্রাপ্ত প্রধান বিচারপতি ডক্টর টি অমরনাথ ঘোষ, তাছাড়া উপস্থিত ছিলেন বিচারপতি বি পালিত, উপস্থিত ছিলেন অ্যাডভোকেট জেনারেল শক্তিময় চক্রবর্তী, উপস্থিত ছিলেন ত্রিপুরা বার কাউন্সিলের চেয়ারম্যান রতন দত্ত সহ অন্যান্যরা। সকল প্রকার আইনজীবীদের উপস্থিতিতে এই আয়োজন ঘিরে ব্যাপক সাড়া মিলেছে এবং অবশ্যই বলা যায় নতুন প্রবীণ প্রত্যেকের মিলিয়ে সেখানে এই আয়োজন যেন একটা বার্তাবহ। ত্রিপুরা উচ্চ আদালতের এই আয়োজনে সংশ্লিষ্টদের আমরা বক্তব্য অবশ্যই শুনবো। তার পাশাপাশি এই আয়োজনের মাধ্যমে যে হাইকোর্টের সনদ তা তুলে দেওয়ার প্রয়াসে এই অনুষ্ঠানে যে কথাগুলো বলছিলেন ভাষণ রাখতে গিয়ে ভারপ্রাপ্ত প্রধান বিচারপতি ডক্টর অমরনাথ ঘোষ, আমরা তার বক্তব্য শুনব।
आज बार काउंसिल ऑफ त्रिपुरा का एनरोलमेंट डे है। बच्चों का जो नया नया अभी वकालत पास किया उनका सर्टिफिकेट्स दिया जाएगा और ये एडवोकेट्स आज से प्रैक्टिस करने के लायक होंगे। They will be eligible to practice in the state of Tripura. आज अबाउट 80 लॉयर्स है जो वकालत पास किया है, अभी उनको सर्टिफिकेट्स दिया जाएगा। अगले दिन के लिए उसे देके सुझाव है, बस मेहनत करना और आगे बढ़ना, तरक्की करना।
The third one will come and fall in line. So the society will recognize you with your, either once a name is taken, if they say Mr. Majumdar or Mr. Devnath, Mr. So-and-so, they have to say, oh, he's so punctual, oh, he's so hardworking. That's how one has to be identified, but not by the father or senior or super senior or. So now you are no longer a child. You are futures of Tripura. So I want to see the future of Tripura in number one position. As most of you are acquainted with the electronic gadgets, I presume by the time they were introducing me or even before coming here, you might have gathered some information through Google search, this, that, or website, that who is this Amarnath, what is this and all. Dear friends, I was just an average student, and with great difficulty I had to pass my intermediate graduations, and once I took up my legal and LLB course, then in my own class I used to teach my classmates. Maybe that was destined that this will only be my subject in career, not sciences. I was a science graduate. So thereafter, I only got hold of one principle, what I told you, was hardworking. Then, as I told you, 1 plus 1 offer, hardworking brought something else, something else. I will not give conduct certificate for myself. But as a lawyer, I can tell you confidently, you will not find my cases being dismissed. Almost 99% of my cases which I handled are ordered. I obtained orders in favor of my clients. The only principle was I used to filter the case whenever it comes to me, whether to file a case or not to file a case, or to advise the client, yes, you have a better case provided you procure these documents. and give him some kind of proper suggestion and advice, so that he used to go back and come with proper documentation. And as a lawyer with our experience, we know where we stand and which judge will be deciding this matter, and probable argument of the respondent side also. So with all these things, prepare a case, and certainly there will not be any adverse orders. And despite of the advice to the client that yes, today you will be losing this case, I will not file it. No sir, let me take a chance. So taking a chance is only to keep the case pending, to take a chance in future. We don't know what new law will develop. So get the case admitted, keep it pending. And obviously, any case would be taken on record. It will not be dismissed at the threshold unless we try to project it properly. I served the bar in various positions. Of course, that is not relevant now. And after becoming a judge, as our friends, they have read and honored me. On an average, 109 judgments I decided. It was around 92,000 cases thereafter. And a pride moment is, out of my 92,000 judgments, 99% of my cases stood unchallenged. Thanks to both side clients and both side lawyers who have expressed their satisfaction in state of Telangana and state of Tripura about my judgments. And it's almost 4 years I'm in Tripura. My parent High Court is Telangana, Hyderabad. And for the last 3 years, with the cooperation of the bar and the staff, we could achieve #1 position. For the last 3 years, Tripura stands #1 position in the country. On this, I share this credit with the bar and the staff and even the clients also, because unless a client is ready with his papers and proper assistance with the lawyer will not be in a position to come forward. And whenever I say, come on, get ready with the matter, we'll decide this, I thank the bar. Always the bar is ready and they have cooperated in the proceedings. My endeavor was always like the client with lot of hope comes to a lawyer, and it is the duty of the lawyer to advise the client in a proper manner, and thereafter do hard work and also smart work. Nowadays, because you have so much of electronic assistance, so you can work smartly also. So with all these things, it is not difficult to say that you are a successful lawyer. It is possible. And in the profession, most of the young lawyers, they forget certain basic manners in courtroom and also when they are with Mr. Shankar Dev, senior advocate, and all the learned senior advocates present, and the young graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is past. This is present in the front rows and back side. Graduates, you are the future of Tripura. I am not here to give any lecture, because all these 5 years you had enough of lectures from your professors and in your college, from your parents, from your guides, seniors, everywhere. And henceforth, you will not hear any lectures, but maybe some advisors, some scoldings from your seniors in the office. Scoldings if you don't perform well, and advices when you are proving yourself as an upcoming lawyer in the office. So choice is yours, under which category you want to be identified. Dear friends, in this profession, provided anybody is sincerely committed to this profession, I assure you this profession will not allow you to starve. There will not be starvation beds in this profession. A person who is standing on a lawyer who is standing on the bus stop waiting for a bus, if he is sincere and hardworking towards the profession, committed to his office, in no time you will find him on a motor vehicle. And a person staying in a rented accommodation will have his own accommodation. And today's junior, undoubtedly, he will be tomorrow's senior advocate or a judicial officer. And there are incidences where lawyers practicing in official courts, in taluk courts, district courts, are also elevated to high court without their being practicing in high court activity. So there is no bar for your growth. Sky is the limit. Like your teachers have told you and your parents have said, advised you all through, which most of the young generation, they feel, what is this, always he's going on saying something or the other, he's just eating away my brain. My dad is so boring, my mom is so boring. You will understand their advices only when you are there in your career. All those advices, those wonderful words, what they have told you, the value of those words, you will face each and every day in your profession. Truth, sincerity, dedication, hard work, punctual, all these words and so on. And I assure you, just if you practice any one of these words in your lifetime, either truth or sincerity or punctuality or hard working, that will automatically bring the second one along with it. 1+1 free offer.
আপনারা শুনলেন সেখানে ভারপ্রাপ্ত প্রধান বিচারপতির বক্তব্য। আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন টিভি 24।